says that?
Tiger roar.
What does a dinosaur say?
Roar too.
Yeah, how about a lion?
Roar.
Can you sign lion? Can you sign it? Like this.
Tiger.
Tiger? Was the polar bear sick at the zoo? Yeah.
Last night I sleep.
Last night you were sleeping? Tell me about the polar bear.
And too.
Polar bears roar too?
A
Snake says hiss. What's a duck say? How about a goose? What's a goose say? Honk, 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 honk. How about a piggy?
No.
You don't want to make a piggy noise?
The piggy's sick.
Piggy's sick? Silly. What's an elephant do? Is an elephant big or little? Little? Are you being silly goose? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say bye, camera.
Bye, camera.
See you later. Alligator. After a while.
Wow.
Bye-bye.